Hello everyone. Again our this lecture is continuation of body. We have created body definition with the help of SC18 transaction code. We have created body implementation with the help of SC19 transaction code. Now we will use this body definition and body implementation inside a program. So suppose I am creating one program. So for creating the program, the transaction code is SC38. Suppose my name of the program is zbody_example. I am clicking on the create button. Suppose my name of the title of the program is body example. Type is executable program. Clicking on the save button, saving it as a local object. Now what we have done, we have taken one method in the interface which is of instance type. So we have already discussed, whenever we have a instance method, we always have to create a object. Suppose now I am creating a object. So I am creating an object with data statement LO_object. Suppose my name of the object is LO_object. Type ref2. So how we declare an object in SAP? Name of the object, then we have type ref2. Now we will go for SC18 transaction code, which is the transaction code for body definition. I am displaying the already created enhancement support. Now our body definition name is zbody_test. I am declaring one object which is referring to our body. Now we have to call body definition. We have to call body definition. So we will go for pattern. We will go for ABAP object patterns. We will click on the OK button. Now our instance name. Instance name means our object name. Our object name is LO_object, which we have declared for body definition. Now our class or interface name. If our interface name which I have created in SC18 is ZIF_test. Now I am passing the interface name here. Now I am searching for the methods. Yes, our method name is change_value. In the interface I have given the method change_value. Now I am clicking on this OK button. Now we have declared an object for the body. We have called the method of the body. So you have to write, instead of call method, you have to write call body. Now our method is of instance type. So we have to create the object. We have declared the object. Now we have to create the object. So how to create an object for the body? We have the statement get body. Get body LO_object. This statement will create an object for the body. So now I am declaring one local variable, that is LV_value. And I am declaring local variable LV_value type character 1. Now I am writing the value. Write LV_value. Now I am saving the program. I am going for the syntax of the program. Now I am activating the program. So what we have done, we have declared an object for the body. We have created the object for the body. Now after that we have called the body. So this is the declaration of the object of the body. This is the creation of the object of the body, and this is the process to call the body definition or body implementation. Now what we will do, I will put the breakpoint here and I will show you each and everything in the debugging mode. Now I am executing the program. Going for desktop 3, which is a preferable desktop C. Initially LO_object is not created because we have only declared. Now if I am pressing F5 or F6, suppose I am pressing F5, Now see, our object is created. Our object for the body is created. Now we will call this method with the help of this object. We will call the method change underscore value with the help of object LO underscore object. Now our LV underscore value is blank. So if I want to debug this method, I will go for F5. Now see, this is the logic which we have written in the class. Now my variable which is blank is assigned the value X. Now I am pressing F5. Now if I am pressing again F6, now my value of the variable is X. Now I am executing the program with the help of F8 key. Now see, our variable has blank value. Now if I am calling the body, now the variable has the value equals to X. So in this current program, we have created the body definition, we have created the body implementation, both things. Now if we have implementation projects, in that case we already have the body definition. You only have to implement the, you only have to do the body implementation with the help of SC19 transaction code. Generally we are not going for creating the body definition. We already have the body definition. We only have to do the body implementation with the help of SC19 transaction code. In this current example, we have done the body definition as well as we have created the body implementation. Rest we will continue in the next lecture.